Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix Facebook unable to log in and unexpected error occurred. Please try login in again. So guys, when you have login your Facebook account on Android phone or on iPhone and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, after going to back you have to open your settings first. Click on Wi-Fi, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and now you have to go back. And guys, you have to scroll it down. From here you have to click on app management, click on app list. And guys, after this you have to search your Facebook. Open your Facebook app, click on storage and cache, and you have to clear cache of your Facebook app. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. So guys, after this you have to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you have to open your Play Store here. And guys, now you have to search your Facebook, and you have to open your Facebook, and you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing all these settings you have to go back and log in again your account, and your problem will be fixed and you will be able to log in your Facebook successfully. So guys, if still not fix your problem, you have to open your settings again, scroll it down, click on system, click on reset phone, and you need to reset your Wi-Fi settings or reset your network settings. And after this you need to go back and click on date and time, make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically. And guys, after this you need to check for system update, and you need to update your iPhone or Android phone to latest version. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.